Hi everyone, this is grammar, more kinds of pronouns. Objectives: identify indefinite, possessive, and interrogative pronouns, and use pronouns in writing and speaking. So first, let's discuss what pronouns are. So a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or replaces a noun in a sentence. There are several kinds of pronouns. Words such as someone and something refer to a person or thing that is not identified. These pronouns are called indefinite pronouns. So indefinite, from the word itself, we know that the reference is not exact. Okay, we don't know exactly who it is or what it is we are talking about or we are referring to. So pronouns that replace possessive nouns are called possessive pronouns, which show ownership. So words such as who, what, and which can be used to begin questions. These pronouns are called interrogative pronouns. So interrogative, from the root word interrogate, would mean to ask questions. So these are the pronouns that you can use to begin your questions. Let's go to practice. So if you have your English 2 copybook with you, copy each sentence below and underline each indefinite pronoun, circle each possessive pronoun, and draw a box around each interrogative pronoun. So let's review. When you say indefinite pronoun, it's the type of pronoun that refers to a non-exact reference, be it an object or a person. Possessive pronoun shows ownership, while an interrogative pronoun, usually in the form of WH, okay, would be used to begin a question. 1. Who is the woman in the purple bonnet? So what is your pronoun in here? If your answer is who, then you are correct. So as we have mentioned in the instructions, we have to draw a box around the interrogative pronoun. So who is an interrogative pronoun because it asks a question. Number 2, everyone in the garden asks that woman for advice. What is your pronoun in this sentence? So if your answer is everyone, then you are correct, okay? So there's no exact referent, right? So it's an indefinite pronoun, therefore it has to be underlined. 3, her tomatoes are the biggest and reddest. So what is your pronoun in this sentence? So if your answer is her, then you are correct. Okay, so we place the circle around this pronoun because it is a possessive pronoun that shows ownership. It shows that she owns the biggest and the reddest tomatoes. 4, which is Mr. Jackson's garden plot? So what is your pronoun in this sentence? The answer is which. Okay, so once again, which is an interrogative pronoun because it was used to ask a question. 5, the plot with the sunflowers is his plot. So what is your pronoun in the last sentence? Yes, the pronoun is his, okay? So it is a possessive pronoun that shows ownership. Now here's a writing tip for everybody. Avoid excessive or overuse of proper nouns. Like in this sentence, Carla will present Carla's proposal at the council meeting tonight. Carla's mother and aunt will attend the meeting along with Carla's cousin. Carla has used their ideas in Carla's proposal. So apart from it gets very exhausting having to read Carla's name over and again, it's not practical, and also it doesn't follow the rule of economy of words, right? So instead of repeating the name of the person over and again, then you can improve your paragraph by using possessive pronouns or any other type of pronoun that applies. So now we have Carla will present her proposal at the council meeting tonight. Her mother and aunt will attend the meeting, and Carla's cousin will be there too. Carla has used her mother's and aunt's ideas in her proposal. So this paragraph is way better than the first one because we were practical enough to use the correct possessive pronoun. So for your exercise, please answer R&B page 259. Circle the correct pronoun for each sentence. So we'll do one and then you have to do the rest by yourself. Number 1, all or every of us wanted to go swimming this summer. So what do you think is the correct answer? Correct answer is all of us wanted to go swimming this summer. You also have to read the sentence aloud somewhat, okay, for you to know if it sounds correct. Now, moving on to page 260, underline the possessive pronouns. 1. The donation that helped start the shelter was mine. So where is your possessive pronoun in this sentence? The answer is mine. So once again, possessive pronouns show ownership. So please answer 2 until 8 by yourself. Last, let's move on to RNB page 261. Write an interrogative pronoun to complete each question. 1. Blank planted the flowers in the garden. So what are you going to put in here? Should you put who, what, when, where, or why? So for this particular sentence, you need who, okay? Because you're asking about the performer of the action, who planted the flowers in the garden. So please complete the rest of the items by yourself. So kindly check out our references and resources in our EIS portal, e-resources, for more information about this lesson. So I will see you in the next video.